So good day sir. I am Rene Torino from third reporter of chapter 9. So my topic is business value of supply chain management system. So match supply to demand. This means companies produce and deliver product based on what customers actually needs. It helps to avoid having too many or too few product in stock. So ang pasabot sa match supply to demand is ang companies daw is nag-produce or naka-deliver og product base sa unsa gyud ang mga kinahanglanon sa mga customers. So reduce inventory levels. So ang supply chains daw is dako siya matabang sa business para daw makip ang right amount sa mga inventories, then ma-lower ang storage or mga gasto or ma-prevent ang waste or expiration product. So improve delivery service. So these systems are delivery faster and more accurate. So ang pasabot is mas paspas daw, then mas accurate ang iyang gipang deliver, and ang customers is mas dali ra daw niya ma-receive ang iyang mga iyang order. So speed product to market. So, ang companies can develop release product more quickly. This helps business stay competitive and responds faster to customers needs. So ang pasabot to is ang companies daw is dali siya maka-develop or maka-release og mga product, then dako po siya matabang sa mga business para mo stay ang ilang pag competitive, and this paspas po sila mo response sa mga customers nga mga kinahanglanon sa mga customers. So diri sa use asset more efficiently. Ang business daw is gina-maximize doon nila ang mga resources para sa mga warehouse, bicycles and machines, and sa mga workers para ma-improve ang productivity and ma-reduce ang unnecessary expenses. So there is a total supply chain cost of 75% of operating budget. So supply chain activities like transportation, storage and production are very expensive and can take up most company budgets. Effective supply chain management help to reduce this cost. So, there is a increased sales when product are able and delivered quickly. Customers are more satisfied and likely to buy again. This can lead to higher sales and profits. So kasabot ato ang product daw is available siya mo delivered niya, dali ra siya, tapos ang customers ay tapos ang customers is mat satisfy siya sa iyang mga sa iyang gipalit. So there is a interactive season management. Sumabay prospers with ERP in the cloud. So there is a identify the described to problem decision in case. So the company had difficulty managing information and business operation because its system we are not connected. This caused delays, efficiency, process and poor decision making. So there is a management factory. Managers need to faster and more accurate information to make decision and coordinate company activities. So pasabot ato is ang manager daw dapat daw is paspas daw siya mo accurate og mga information og mga decision para daw mas makaka-coordinate ang mga company activities. So there is organization factories. Different departments we are working separately and sharing information which reduce productivity. So there is a technology factories. These old systems were outdated and unavailable in ingredients across to the organizations. So there is a why was an ERP system required for solution. So ang ERP system was needed because it combines all business process and information into one system. It allows departments to share real-time and data work more efficiently. So there is a how did cloud based on ERP distribution to solution. A cloud based on ERP system is reduce the needs of expensive and hardware and maintenance. It also allowed employees to access information anytime and improve system flexibility. So there is a what were the business benefits of Suma by new enterprise system. These companies provide efficiency, reduce operational cost, and gained better control over the business activities, employees, and cloud access accurate information more quickly. So pasabot ato is ang company daw is gina-improve nila, then gina-reduce nila ang mga operational costs or mga gasto, and gina-gain nila ang mas nindot nga pag control sa ilang business activities para ang employees is ma-access dayon nila or ma-accurate ang mga information og dali. So there is a how did it change decision making and operations. So, managers could make faster and better decision because they had a real data business operating became more organized, automated, and according across department. So pasabot is ang manager daw ay kailangan paspas daw siya mo decision kay tungod sa because they had a real time data business para mo operate or mo organize dayon or more coordinate ang mga departments. Customers Relationship Management or CRM. So knowing the customers. So ang CRMs daw is dako siyang matabang sa business para makasabot sa mga customers o mga kinahanglanon sa mga customers, preferences and buying behaviors. This allows companies to provide better decision and service. So there is in large business too many customers and too many ways customers interact with firms. So large companies communicate with customers through store, website, apps, and emails. And so diri daw ang large companies daw is mo communicate daw sila mga customers using this website, mga apps, then emails, and mga social medias. So CRM system are software tools that helps companies manage customers relationship and interaction efficiently. So ang CRM system daw software tools is dako siya matabang sa company para ma-manage ang mga customers or maka-communicate or maka-communicate. So there is a capture and integrate customers data form all over the organization. So CRMs collects customers information from different departments such as sales, marketing, and customer service into one system. So ang CRM daw is gina-collect daw nila ang mga informations sa mga lahi nga mga departments para sa mga sales, markets, at mga customer service. Then there is a consolidate and analyze customers data. The systems organize the studies, customers information, and identify trends, preference, and opportunity for improvements. So ang system daw is gina-organize doon nila and then gina-study nila kung unsa gyud ang mga ganahan or unsa pa gyud ang dapat nila i-improve. Distribute customers information various system customer touch point across enterprise. CRM shares customers information with employees and department. They can improve consistent service across communication channels. So in figure 9.6, Customer Relationship Management or CRM, so makita nato diri sa pie chart nga na siya sales, service, ug marketing. So ang naa sa sales is telephone sales, web sales, ug rental, store sales o field sales. Ang sa service is nabot siya ay 5 ka call center data o web self data, o sa marketing is na siya ay campaign data o comfort o data analysis. Then ang na-center sa iya is ang customers. So mao ni ang iyang pie chart. Customers relationship management software is first is packaging range from inch to tools large scales enterprise application. So ang CRM software daw is gina-simple tools or small business or large system used by big companies. So ang CRM software daw is ang mga simple ra daw ang ilang mga tools or mga gagmay nga mga businesses or large systems is mao daw ang naggamit sa mga big companies. So partner relationship or PRM helps companies to manage relationship with suppliers, distributors and business partners. Integrating lead generation, pricing, promotion orders, configures or availables. The system helps coordinate sales opportunity, product pricing, promotions, and inventory availability. So, there is a tools asset of partner performance. Ang CRM daw is gina-evaluate nila kung unsaon pag business partners para ma-perform ang contribution sa company goals para makuha ang ilang goals. So, employee relationship management o ERM is gonna focus rin sa managing employees performance and development. So there is a setting object. Ang employees daw ay kay give ang goals nga target to achieve. So ang employees daw is given daw nila nga goals is ang ma-achieve nila ang ilang target goals. So employee performance management, the system tracks the evaluate employees work performance. So there is a performance based on compensations. Employees may receive reward to incentives based on their performance. So there is a employee training. CRM helps organize training programs to improve employee skills. So there is a customer relationship management software, Salesforce Automations or CFA. CFA is automates sales activities to make the sales process faster and more efficient. Sales prospect and contract informations. So the systems stores information about potential customers and business contact. Sales quote generations capabilities. Ang CRM daw is ginapaspas na nila ang paghimo sa mga price quotations para sa customers. So customer service, CRM helps companies respond to customers concern efficiency. So ang CRM daw is paspas daw ang CRM daw is makatabang siya sa company para mas makarespond sila sa mga customers nga makapaspas sila makarespond sa customers. Assigning and managing customer service requests, customers complaints and requests and assigning to the correct employees and faster resolutions. So web-based self-service capabilities, customers can access only supporting without direct contact employees. So sa marketing, CRM support marketing activities, customers communication, capturing prospect and customers data. The system collect customers information for future marketing activities. So ang system daw is gina-collect daw niya ang mga information sa mga customers para sa mga future nga maghimog maghimog o para sa future nga mag-marketing. Diri sa scheduling and tracking direct marketing, mailing or emailing, ang CRM daw is gina-organize niya, gina-monitor niya ang marketing emails or ang mga gina-check niya ang mga emails kung emails o ang promotional messaging. So, diri sa cross-selling, there is a cross-selling. Business encourages customers to buy related additional product and service. So, ang pasabot is, ang cross-selling daw is, ang business is gina-encourage niya ang mga customers para mupalit sa mga related or additional product o sa ilang service. So, there is a figure 9.7, how CRM system support marketing. So, response by channel of January 2009 promotional campaign. This figure shows how customers respond to marketing campaign through different communication channels. So, makita man nato diri sa kuan sa pie chart nga mas diri sa telephone is na siya 30.8%. So ang telephone call is gina-receive niya ang mga highest customers o gina-response niya to direct communication of effective. So there is a direct email is na siya 29.2%, printed advertisement and lettering sent to customers also generated many responses. So there is a email is na siya 7.3 ang 7.3%. Email marketing allow companies to reach customers quickly and low cost. So there is a web na siya 16.0%, customer response through website and online platform. So there is a social media is na siya 6.7%. Social media had a lowest response but still helped companies to connect the customers online. So social media is nasa lowest kayang response kay tungod sa lowest kayang response, pero nakatabang gyapon siya sa companies para ma-connect ang mga customers through online selling, like online selling. So there is a figure 9.8 CRM software opportunities. So there is a table na customers data na po sales and na po accounting management. So there is a customers data. Customers data is the main foundations of CRM because all departments use customers information to make decision and improvement service. So and there is a customers data is mo ni siya ang main foundation sa CRM. Kay tungod diri nga department is ginagamit nila ang information sa customers para maghimog decision kung unsa pa ang ilang i-improve sa ilang service. So there is a sales is the sales function helps companies to manage selling activities and customers account. So there is a account management, track the management customers account and business relationships. So there is a lead management to identify the following potential customers who may buy product or service. So there is a order management, handles customers orders and ensure product are delivered correctly. Sales planning helps managers create sales goals and strategies. So there is a field sales support sales people who meet customers outside and office. So there is a sales analytics. So analyze sales performance and customer trends. So there is a sales analyze, gina-analyze nila ang mga performance sales ug unsa gyud ang mga kinahanglanon sa mga customers basta ng mga new trends kanang mga bag-ong nga mga gawas nga mga kuan ana. So there is a marketing. The marketing function helps companies to promote product and attract customers. So sabot ang marketing function daw is makatabang siya sa company para ma-promote ang product nila, din ma-attract ang mga customers para mopalit sa ilahang product. So campaign management plans that management advertising and promote campaigns channels promoting management conditional promotional across different communication channels. So there is sa event management, organize company event, product launches and marketing activities. So there is sa marketing planning, develop strategies and target customers and improve market performance. So pasabot, ang market planning daw is ang gina-develop nila ang mga strategies o gina-target nila ang customers para ma-improve ang ilang marketing performance. So there is a marketing operation, managing daily market activities and process. So there is a marketing analytics, so studies market results, improve future campaigns. So there is a service, so makita na itong service na siya service delivery, na siya customer satisfaction management. So there is a service, the service function focus on customer support and satisfaction. So ang service daw is naga-focus ra siya sa kuan sa customer support o ma-satisfy ba ang customer sa ilahang gi-order nga product. So service delivery, ensure the customers receive proper support and service. So gina-ensure nila o gina-sure nila nga ang customers jud is na-receive gyud nila tarong ang product. So there is a customer satisfaction management, measure that improve customer satisfaction level. So gina-improve ginasukod nila og ma-improve ba ang satisfaction sa customers. So returns management, handle return product and customers complaints. So there is a service planning, plans customer service activities and support operations. So pasabot, gina-plano nila ang customer service nga activities, gina-support din nila ang operations. So call center and help desk. So gina-provide nila ang customers nga ma-assisan through calls and support centers. So ang customers daw is gina-focus nila nga always ma-assist gyud, din bisag sa kuan ra bisan na sa tawag dinapod sila ay support centers. So pwede ra sila moadto sa support centers. So service analytics, analyze service performance and customer support data. So there is a service analytics, is gina-analyze niya ang service performance o customer support data.
My topic is customer loyalty management process map. Kani siya is mo na siya ang naka-process giun sa company og pag-manage og ilang customer para mahimo og loyalty certify. Una is receive service request. Mo na siya ang nakadawat og company og concern og request gikan sa customer. Kaduha is obtain customer information. Gikuha ang information sa customer gikan sa database. Katulo is customer information available. Muna siya pud ang nagpadayon og process kung wala ang i-rate sa base agent. Kaupat, score customer. Kini siya is naka-evaluate kung available ba o loyal ba ang customer. Kalima is high value and loyalty. Kung yes ang naghatag og special offer og better service, kung no pod i-route pod siya sa saktong na agent. Nang kaunom is resolve service issue. Muna siya ang nagsulbad og problema sa mga customer. So kanitanan is ang gulato nila is mo na siya ang process nga mabiling loyal ang og happy ang customers. Duha, operation and analytic CRM. Kini siya na kuan. Kini siya is mo pud siya napoy sa duha ka klase na CRM. Una is operation CRM. Mo na siya ang naka-focus og adlong interaction sa customer. Example, customer service, support, call center, self automation, marketing automation, Ang purpose niya is para mas paspas or organize ang serbisyo sa customer. Kaduha is analytical KRM. Mo siya ang nakapokus og pag-analyze sa customer data. Gigamit para sa data mining, ulap analyze, customer behavior analyze, customer lifetime value o CLTV. Ang purpose niya is para masabtan ang company ang customer og makahimo og better business decision. Katulo, analytical KRM data warehouse. Kani po siya is mo na siyang diagram magpakita kung gayon sa pag-collect ug analyze sa customer data. Nasa ay source of customer ay data. Una is call center, website, email, social media, retail store, marketing campaigns, tanang data is ibutang niya sa customer data warehouse. Usa po siya kadako nga storage. Kaya po siya kain customer data warehouse mo siya ang usa kadako nga storage na customer information. Pag human is gamiton niya dahil ang ulap data mining, analytics tools. Ang resulta niya is makahibalo ang company kung kinsay nag-profitable customers, market segment, customer profit o chart rates o chart ng nahiwa. So kaning KRM is makatabang niya sa business para maganda ang customer service, ang paliguan ng customers o loyalty, mapataas ang sales, masabtan ang customer behavior o makahimo og better business decision. And wala tong akong topic.